No matter where in this world I go, I am a Jamaican.
Hi, this is Buju Banton. To come and be a part of the festival is great. To play my part for my country is great. Play my part on the global stage is beautiful. But whatever I can do to move my country forward in that respect must also be done.
'Cause I am a Jamaican.
Yes, it was a big deal. Because when festival come, festival was in sync with independence. So the songs were playing so much and every youth man know them. You know what I mean? You have Rai, and before Rai, and you have the brother them used to wind up themselves. The astronauts, them, toots them, bam bam, and you have my boy, oh Cherry, oh baby, and he win it a couple times too, Eric Donaldson. So growing up festival was out, and those days we have more fun as youth. We have play cricket, you do much more stuff in the summer, getting ready for the festivities of the festival season.
Dressmaker, baker, tailor, shoemaker, market, woman in a donkey cart.
The support that it used to receive from entertainers has not been so great, you know what I mean? People don't look at it as something trivial, festival and just local songs and, But we don't want it to remain there because it wasn't there before. It was always a national event where we all look forward to as Jamaicans. So now, if we're given an opportunity to, make this whole again, why not?
Now everywhere in this world I go, I am a Jamaican.
The other day, up in a country area where I was doing the music video, I asked some kids, tell me, what is the name of the last festival song? They couldn't tell me. So what is the name of the previous one? They couldn't tell me. And these things to me, it shows exactly where we are. So we have to get back to the roots and the foundation of being Jamaicans, right?
Beautiful smile, God-fearing people. Known across the world, yet you're so simple.
We are just a little dot on the map, but the impact we have had on the global community, I don't think we Jamaicans even begin to realize that yet. Jamaica is a beautiful place. I want to celebrate Jamaica, not only the island, but the people. People is what made the island beautiful. Never forget. Patriotism seems to be lost on us somehow. We hurt each other forgetting that we are Jamaicans. Before you go out and do the next stupidity, remember who we are, Jamaicans.
Resilient and brave, industrious, yes we are Jamaican.
I don't have any chance, because chances are. I go and congratulate the winner, but I want to know the people and learn my song and know my song. That's more important to me than winning. And I love the people, and I want to make sure that next year my fellow entertainers will follow in our footsteps and contribute one song, only one song to your nation. That's all we ask. So we can grow and build the momentum of a festival every year. Thank you.
Music from Jam Dong, got to be Jamaican.